All right, this neck's a fail. That when that router bit come loose, it poked a hole all the way through my neck. So I have to get the other blank out and make another neck. Start all over. That's the story of my life. Nothing ever goes right for me. In fact, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to buy a neck. Screw it. Well, all right. After my temper tantrum and stuff, I think I figured out a solution how to fix this neck. What I did, I wound up splitting that redwood in half, and I cut the bad spots out of it. And then I run it through my thickness planer and planed it off. And I had this other piece of wood here. And that's going to become the center of my neck now. So it's going to be a laminated neck instead of a one-piece neck. So maybe it was a happy accident. I don't know until I get further along with it. That's my solution for right now. We're going to let it dry up now. I'll get it all clamped up here, as you can see. I didn't take you through all the steps how I did this, but again, basically all I did was I took the redwood, split it in half. I marked me some lines on there and started running it through my thickness planer until I got it down to the width that I wanted. And then this other piece of wood was just the right thickness to take up that gap of what I cut out of it. And so I think it'll come out just fine. There's the fretboard. Kind of give you an idea. And then tomorrow when I come out here, I'll finish trimming this out for the peg head and on the back side of the peg head, and do some final sanding, and then try cutting the truss rod channel again and see if I can't save it. And if not, I ordered a new neck for it. So I do have a backup. And so if this doesn't turn out the way I want it, we'll use the new neck. I'll probably end up using the new neck anyway because I like the looks of the new neck. Anyway, so this will be another quick, real short video right here just to show you that I did calm down, and this is my solution for right now, and I'll bring you back in when I get more. Bye now.